Ukanti-ke kwelinye inqaku, isebe lezemfundo laseGauteng liqalise uphando ngezityholo zokuziphatha gwenxa ngokwesondo ezibandakanya utishala kunye nomfundi kwisikolo sezifundo ezikhethekileyo saseCurtis Nkondo eMdini. Isebe lithi uphando lulandela izikhalazo ezifakwe ngokusemthethweni kumfundi webanga le-11 kwiveki ephelileyo esithi utishala wenze intetho engafanelekanga ngokwesondo kuye ngelixa omnye umfundi owayekhona naye engenise ingxelo. Isithethi uOnwabile Lubhelwane uthi iingxaki ezibanzi ezibandakanya abanye ootishala ukususela ngo-2022 nazo ziza kuphandwa, egxininisa ukuba akukho tyala lifunyenweyo nxamnye nawuphi na umsebenzi okwangoku.
Umnyango wezemfundo esifundazweni saseGoli uphenya izinsolo ezihlanganisa ukungaziphathi ngendlela nenkulumo ethinta ezocansi eyenziwe nguthisha kumfundi webanga lesishiyagalolunye esikoleni iCurtis Nkondo School of Specialization esizinze endaweni yaseMndeni.
Gauteng Department of Education is urgently investigating allegations of sexual misconduct at Curtis Nkondo School of Specialization, including concerns raised by learners, parents, and learner formations. Gauteng MEC for Education, Sport, Arts, Culture and Recreation, Lebogang Maile, has directed that all allegations, including claims dating back from 2022, be investigated. The safety and dignity of learners remain non-negotiable, and decisive action will be taken where wrongdoing is established.
Lo mnyango uphinde waveza ukuthi kunezinye izinsolo zangonyaka ka-2022 ezivelile nezizophenywa njengoba uthi uma ke kutholakala ukuthi khona uthisha uphule umthetho uzojeziswa ngendlela. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, Nginokulunga Mthembu.
Ukanti-ke kusenjalo isiseko iTshegofatso Foundation sikhalimela ukuziphatha gwenxa ngokwesondo okutyhola kwesisikolo sibandekanyekayo simemelela ukuba lo mba ujongwe ngeliso elibukhali ngengxelo ezibanga ukuba kukhona iziganeko ezenzeka ngo-2022. Isithethi uBuhlale Modisane uthi le nto bekufanele ukuba iqwalaselwe kwangethuba esitsho igxininisa imfuneko yokuba ootishala nabafundi ababandakanyekayo bathathelwe amanyathelo aqatha nokuziphatha kwabo. Modisane ukwabongoza amaxhoba okuxhatshazwa ukuba afune inkxaso kwimibutho ezimeleyo uqinisekisa ukuba amatyala abo aphathwa ngokufanelekileyo kwaye bafumana ubulungisa.
Ngemuva kokuba umnyango wezemfundo eGauteng ukhiphe isitatimende emayelana nesenzo esiyamaniswa nokuhlukumeza ngokucansi esikoleni samabanga aphezulu iCurtis Nkondo, inhlangano yeTshegofatso Foundation isizwakalise ilaka layo ngalolu daba.
It is something that is long overdue, and moreover, there is a whole lot of cases. I know that the numbers keep escalating, be it that it is from maybe a level 1 sexual misconduct where maybe there's been verbally sexual remarks being made between teachers and learners, or up to those that involve touch, and then there's also an escalating number in where now things get even more physical, and I think this is something that should have been dealt with long ago. It's something that has been ongoing, and it's something that shouldn't be taken lightly.
Lenhlangano ethi-ke nakuba othisha befanele ukuba ngabavikeli babafundi, kepha ekuningi okusafanele abafundi befundiswe ngakho ngokuziphatha.
We have a daring youth, and you see how they also act outside school. And this is not me trying to say that anything that is done by the teachers as elders, as people that have taken the oath, is warranted. But I think there is so much unlearning that our youth needs to do, as well as a lot of accountability that needs to be taken, especially where teachers are concerned, and a lot of examples need to be made. To all the youth that are still keeping mum about whatever occurrences or incidents that have befallen them, I would say please just reach out to us, reach out to Tsegofatso Foundation, especially because right now when the when the students try to report to the teachers, you don't know how much the teachers would be able to protect each other, and you don't know whether or not the teachers would be able to stand with you. So try to reach out to somebody independent.
Umnyango wezemfundo ke usungule uphenyo ngalezi insolo ngenhloso ke ukuthola umsuka ngalolu daba. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV kubika umqondisi Myeni ngiseMidlands.